Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Now you're watching this video because you're wondering whether or not you can legally use memes, that is images and video, potentially with a text overlay, to help promote your products and services online. After all, a large number of businesses do this on a regular basis on platforms such as Facebook, for example, and they seem to get away with it. Now, the problem with doing this is that these images and videos are the intellectual property of someone else. There is copyright law involved, and whilst there are some people who say that you can get away with things using the concept of fair use, for example, with YouTube content, or fair dealing in the United Kingdom, that doesn't mean that this applies to commercial situations. So because you're using them to promote your products and services or promote your business in a certain way, that could be deemed as commercial, which means that you could end up in trouble. And whilst platforms like Facebook may not have integrated a high enough level of AI technology to identify these adverts before they go up, that doesn't necessarily mean that you can legally use these images and videos. Now, when it comes to advertising on a platform like Facebook, you're not allowed to do anything which breaches anybody's rights. That includes intellectual property rights. So, if you start posting content which involves someone else's copyrighted images and video, you can end up in real hot water down the line. Let's say, for example, that you made several memes out of Leonardo DiCaprio and you posted them on your Facebook page. Now, Facebook, if it develops the AI technology enough, and it is developing better and stronger AI technology every single day, you may end up in real hot water if they go through your page, analyze it, find all of these memes that you've posted, and say, well, you've repeatedly violated our copyright, we're striking your page off. Now imagine if you've paid thousands of pounds, like some of my customers have, into Facebook in order to get reach and in order to get people to like your page. You could end up with your account banned, you could end up with your page being taken offline. So it's not really worth taking the risk. So I'd highly recommend against it. Future-proof your business, look after yourself, and try and use content which is royalty-free at best, or take your own photographs, take your own video, and show people what the products and services that you actually have as a company.